Hello students, myself Santosh Jagtap from SGM College, Karad. In the last lecture, we had discussed some theories regarding magnetic materials. Now in this lecture, we are going to discuss some problems regarding the chapter magnetic materials, especially the point magnetization, magnetic dipole moment, magnetic intensity and magnetic field. Now the first problem is obtain the Earth's magnetization. Assume that Earth's field can be approximated by giant bar magnet of moment, that is dipole moment 8.0 into 10 raised to 22 ampere per meter square, and given is that radius r is equal to 6400 kilometer. Okay, first of all, obtain the Earth's magnetization. That is, we have to find out capital M. Capital M is equal to question mark. Okay, assume that Earth's magnetic field can be approximated by a bar magnet of moment, that is dipole moment. Okay, and dipole moment is small m is equal to 8.0 into 10 raised to 22 ampere meter square. Okay, and radius is given r. R is equal to 6400 kilometer. Then converting kilometer into meter, we can write here 6400 multiplied by 10 raised to 3. Okay, this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. Finally, I can write here 4.6 into 10, 6.4 into 10 raised to 6 meter. This is the radius of Earth. Okay, and by the definition of the magnetization, we know that capital M is equal to magnetic dipole moment per unit volume. Magnetic dipole moment, that is small m divided by volume. Okay, considering Earth homogeneous sphere, then we can write here small m divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, now the m is 8.0 multiplied by 10 raised to 22 divided by 4 by 3 pi means 3.14 multiplied by r, that is cube. 6.4 multiplied by 6.4 multiplied by 6.4 multiplied by 10 raised to 18. Okay, 6 raised to 3, that is 6 into 3, we can write here 18. Okay, and by using log table and solving all that problems, okay, finally we can write here 72.9 ampere meter inverse. This is the magnetization of Earth. Okay, this is our final answer. 72.9 ampere meter inverse. This is our final answer. Okay. Now, in the next problem, now in the second problem, a solenoid of 500 turns per centimeter. Okay, as we know that in case of the solenoid there is a small n, and small n is number of turns per unit length. Okay, but in the formula the number of turns per unit meter, and here is number of turns per unit centimeter. Okay, therefore we can write here small n is equal to 500 turns per centimeter. Okay, and converting into the meter, we can write here 500 turns per centimeter, that is 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay, 10 raised to minus 2 goes upward of 500 multiplied by 10 raised to 2 is equal to 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 4 turns per meter. Okay, now the next. carrying a current of 3 ampere. That is 3 ampere current is flowing through that solenoid. That is I is equal to 3 ampere. Now next, its core is made of iron which has a relative permeability of 5000. That is relative permeability means mu r, and mu r is equal to 500. Okay, determine. First point is magnetic intensity, second point is magnetization, and third point is magnetic field inside the solenoid. That is magnetic intensity H, magnetization capital M, okay, and magnetic field inside the solenoid, okay, that is P, inside the core, and core is made up of iron material. Okay, now we know that N is equal to, we know that I is equal to, we know that mu r is equal to. Then we have to find out magnetic intensity. Okay, we have already studied that H means magnetic intensity. H is equal to Ni. Okay, what is the formula? What is the value of N? Value of the N is 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 4. Okay. 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 4, and value of the I means current, value of the current is 3. That is, we can write here 5 into 3, that is 15 multiplied by 10 raised to 4, 15 multiplied by 10 raised to 4, okay, ampere, and number of turns per unit length, that is, we can write here A for ampere, that is current, and N is the number of turns per unit length, number of turns, okay, it does not have any type of the unit, but number of turns per unit length, that is meter. Then we can write here H is equal to 1, 5, that is 15 multiplied by 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. Okay, now the second point is magnetization. Okay, and we know that when any material is kept in uniform magnetic field of intensity H, okay, that material gets magnetized. That is, M magnetization is directly proportional to the H, but magnetization is equal to chi into H. Okay, and the relation between mu r and chi, we know that mu r is equal to 1 plus chi. That is, chi is equal to mu r minus 1. Value of the mu r is 5000. That is 5000 minus 1. It is equal to 499, and 499. It is nearly equal to, we can write here 500. Nearly equal to 500. Okay. Now the next point is, we know that magnetization M is equal to chi into H. Okay. Then we can write here M is equal to chi into H. Okay. Chi. Value of the chi is 5000 multiplied by H. Value of the H is 15 multiplied by 10 raised to 4. Okay. Finally, 1, 2, 3. That is, we can write here 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 10 raised to 4. Okay. 3 into 4 plus 3. We can write here 10 raised to 7. That is, here is 10 raised to 7 multiplied by 5. 5 into 15 into 5. Okay. 75. Then we can write here 75. Okay. 75 into 10 raised to 7. This is the magnetization, and unit of the magnetization is, we know that magnetization is magnetic dipole moment. That is ampere meter square divided by meter cube. Okay. and finally we can write here unit of the magnetization is ampere per meter. Okay, ampere per meter. Now the last point is magnetic field inside the core. Okay. We know that V is equal to mu into H, but mu R is equal to mu divided by mu naught. That is mu R is equal to mu R into mu 0. Okay, putting this value in this formula, V is equal to mu R into mu 0 multiplied by H. Okay, value of the mu R is 5,000. That is 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 multiplied by mu 0, 4 pi into 10 raised to 7. Okay, multiplied by H. Value of the H is 15. 15 multiplied by 10 raised to 4. Okay, and finally five into 4, that is 20 multiplied by 10 raised to. Okay, 5 into 4, that is 20 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 plus 7 plus 4. Okay, and putting all that value in this equation, we can write here, and remaining term is 20 into 10 raised to 3 minus 7 plus 4 and multiplied by 15 pi. Okay, 15 multiplied by 2, that is 30, and this is 0 multiplied by 10 raised to, here is 4 plus 3 7 plus 7 minus 7 gets cancelled, that is we can write here 0 multiplied by here is pi. Okay, then 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 2 multiplied by pi, that is 3.40. Okay, finally I can write here this is our answer. Okay, write down. Now the next problem, relation between mu and H, permeability and magnetic intensity for a sample of iron is mu is equal to in bracket 0.4 divided by H plus 12 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4 Henry per meter. Find value of H for magnetic induction of 1.0 Weber per meter square. That is, in this problem, या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये आपल्याला mu आणि h या दोघांचे रिलेशन आपल्याला दिले आहे. ओके, ते रिलेशन सुरुवातीला आपण लिहून घेऊया. mu is equal to 0.4 divided by h plus 12 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4. हे आपल्याला रिलेशन दिलेले आहे. ओके, फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ h, म्हणजे आपल्याला h ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची आहे. h is equal to question mark for magnetic induction of that is value of b is equal to 1.0, that is 1 Tesla Weber per meter square, that is Tesla. We know that b is equal to mu into h. 1 is equal to mu. Okay, value of the mu is in bracket 0.4 divided by h plus 12 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4 bracket complete into h. Multiplying by h inside, we can write here 0.4 multiplied by h divided by h plus 12 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4 multiplied by h. Here is h and h gets cancelled. Okay, 1 is equal to 0.4 plus 12 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4 into h. 1 taking the 0.4 on left side, 1 minus 0.4, that is 0.6 is equal to 12 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4h. Okay, and dividing by this term, we can write here 0.6 divided by 12 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 4 is equal to h. Okay, and finally solving that, we can write here 6 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 1, 0.6. Okay, converting that into the 6 into 10 raised to minus 1, taking 10 raised to minus 4 on upward side, that is becomes plus divided by, here is 12. Okay, is equal to h, that is 0.5 multiplied by 10 raised to 3 is equal to h, that is h is equal to 500 and unit of the h is ampere per meter. Okay, this is our answer. Write down. Now in the next problem, when a rod of 10 cm by 0.5 cm by 0.2 cm, okay, is placed in a magnetic field of 0.5 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. Then a magnetic moment of 5 ampere per meter square is induced in it. Find magnetic induction in rod. As we know that B is equal to mu into H. Okay, and B is equal to mu into I. Instead of I, we can write here M. Okay, and combining that two equation, we can write here B is equal to mu in bracket H plus M. Okay, and if there is no any specific permeability, then we can write here mu. Now, when a rod of 10 cm into 0.5 cm into 0.2 cm, that is, this is the volume of the rod. We can write here V is equal to 10 multiplied by 0.5 multiplied by 0.2 multiplied by 10 raised to. हे सेंटीमीटर आपण मीटर मध्ये जर कन्वर्ट करायला गेलो तर 10 raised to 2 10 raised to 2 10 raised to 2. ओके, -2 -2 -6 meter cube. Okay, it is 10 multiplied by 10 raised to -6 multiplied by here 5 into 10 multiplied by 10 raised to -1 that is -2. Okay, -2, this is 1 and this one gets cancelled. Finally only we can write here -6, that is volume of the rod is 10 raised to -6. Okay, now next point, placed in a magnetic field of 0.5 into 10 raised to 4 ampere per meter. इथं थोडंसं एम्पियर पर मीटर हे मीटर आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे. एम्पियर पर मीटर जर दिलं असेल, वर्डिंग काही असो, ओके, वर्डिंग काय आहे, मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ 0.5 into 10 raised to 4 एम्पियर पर मीटर. याचा अर्थ या ठिकाणी होतो की दिलेली क्वांटिटी ही आपल्याला मॅग्नेटिक इंटेन्सिटी आहे आणि दिलेली क्वांटिटी ही एच आहे. त्यांनी जर या ठिकाणी असं जर म्हटलं असतं मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड ऑफ 0.5 into 10 10⁻⁴ वेबर पर मीटर स्क्वेअर किंवा टेस्ला, तर ते आपण बी कन्सिडर केलं असतं. ओके, या ठिकाणचं असलेलं वर्डिंग काही असू शकतो, त्याशी आपल्याला काही घेऊन देणार नाही, फक्त युनिट आहे त्यानुसार आपल्याला क्वांटिटी, फिजिकल क्वांटिटी ठरणार आहे. h इज इक्वल टू 0.5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10⁴ एम्पियर पर मीटर. ओके, then magnetic moment of 5 ampere per meter square, that is magnetic dipole moment capital M is equal to 5 ampere meter square is induced in the rod, and we have to find the value of magnetic induction, that is B is equal to question mark. Okay, basically we know that magnetization M is magnetic dipole moment divided by volume. Okay, then B is equal to mu0 in bracket H plus magnetization means magnetic dipole moment per unit volume. B is equal to mu0 means 4 pi multiplied by 10⁻⁻7 in bracket H. Value of the H is 0.5 multiplied by 10⁴ plus dipole moment, that is 5 divided by volume. Volume is 10⁻⁻6. Okay, then converting 10⁻⁻6 upward, then we can write here B is equal to 4 pi multiplied by 10⁻⁻7 in bracket, this is 5 into 10⁻³ plus 5 multiplied by 10⁻⁶. Okay, then B is equal to 4 pi multiplied by 10⁻⁻7, taking 5 common, we can write here 5 in bracket 10⁻³ plus 10⁻⁶. Okay, now and using the log table we can find out the value of B is equal to 6.28 Tesla. This is our answer. And in this way this chapter is finished. I hope you understand all the concepts and problems regarding with magnetic field. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.